set it, you move it up, you move it down. What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. So today we're going to be installing a camera in my friend's girl's car. It's a reverse mirror with camera both in the back and in the front, but we got to connect all this cable, so we got to tap into the reverse taillight. All right, so first step, we're going to start with the trunk. We got the rear camera and we got this tiny piece right here. So in order to get that in, what we did is, there's a hole right there. Yep, right there. And we took off the plastic clip. That it really didn't do much. It didn't hold nothing in. We will feed the cable in through here. You really can't see it, but it's a hole right there. You will feed the cable in through there, and it will come out, and then it'll connect. All right, guys. Next step. So we did run. The wire is coming out through here, and we ran it all the way around down through the inside of the liner. Then I connected it right here. We're gonna put some electrical tape on this and put everything back, and then we gotta run these wires through the inside all the way to the front. And then we ran the black one in through here, and we took it out there. Then we're just trying to hide it right now, running it all the way down here, all the way through here, so we get here, so we can connect it. We ran it through the roof, so we're doing it through there. So we're putting it through there. We're gonna put the seat down. All right, guys, so we got, like I told you, we got it through here, the one that sends the camera signal, and then we have the power from here. All right, guys, so we finished. Here it is. Like I said, we ran this right here all the way through the bottom, out through there. And then we have it here. Put the reverse, and then you put it back. You can also set it, you move it up, you move it down, put it back. You can also do the same thing here, move it up, move it down. And then you have a front facing camera as well. You hit here, and it shows you the front, wipers and everything. Yeah, let me see if I can get you that's the front right there, the front camera. You can insert an SD card, and then you can record like if it was a dash cam, and it's like a 1080p resolution, so it's pretty good. Yeah, you can just do it again, click here, there you go. But that's all, guys, and there's my homie Obi.
Hey.
My best friend since high school. And until next time, stay tuned. Peace.